I think it's an unforgettable moment to see Manovikas 50 years.
Joy, pleasure that I attend this sports function today, seeing some incredible people, some incredible students and some incredible parents come together with teachers to make a difference to our society and to our lives.
This carnival is an ideal opportunity for children from mainstream schools to interact on a level playing field.
I think for all of us citizens, we feel a special energy, and I think we all need to go forward with a message that things like this in Manovikas can happen, where children with special needs keep growing, and there are so many other facilities that are happening here. I'm very, very happy.
From a fledgling school for intellectually and physically challenged children, Manovikas Kendra has expanded into an institution that offers an array of services and therapies along with the education.
ये रेस्पेक्ट, ये इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटी, ये प्यार उसे नहीं मिलता अगर वो मनोविकास नहीं आती। अगर मनोविकास नहीं होता तो क्या होता?
Manovikas Kendra has developed into a preeminent position amongst the institutions for people who are differently able.
Out of this world, and it was so well organized.
Whenever I come in Manovikas Kendra, it's a therapy for me. I weep here, I smile here.